VPL ventilator Prismavent 40. Connect the power cord to the device port. Now connect the O2 supply to the oxygen port. Push the breathing tube onto the device outlet port. The other end of the breathing tube is connected to the HME filter. Flow sensor is directly inserted between the test lung and the HME filter towards the patient side. Press the power button on the front panel to start the device. On switching on, ensure that the alarm acknowledgement key comes on first yellow and then red. Press the monitor key for switching between different screen views. Using the dial, top up the humidifier. Press the program key. Select and confirm the program using the dial from the predefined programs 1, 2 and 3. You can skim through the parameters using the knob. Press the knob for selection and rotate it to change the values. Press the program key to go back. Press the last function key. Using the knob, navigate the settings to solve this issue. Press and hold on or off key until the end therapy display appears. The device switches to standby mode. Press the home key and you can see the blinking of the humidifier key. Now press the humidifier key. Long press the home key in order to exit the expert area. To switch off the device completely, press the on or off key until the message "Shutting down the device" is no longer displayed and the display goes out.